Hi everybody, I'm back, and today I'm going to show you all how to make cookies and cream Rice Krispie treats. Here's what you will need. You will need 5 cups of Rice Krispie treats. That's what I have over there in the white bowl to the right. 5½ cups. You will need white chocolate morsels, and we're going to use a full bag, and this bag is a 12-ounce bag. You're going to need 1/3 cup of butter. You can use margarine also. I have 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla, and you're going to need Oreos. Now with these Oreos, this is 13 Oreos that I've chopped up just like so, and you can see around about how big I've chopped them. I don't want these to be very fine, okay? I want these to be into chunks. So then over here, I have about 8 to 10 Oreos, and I'll show you how we're going to chop these up. These ones are going to be finer. These ones are going to be on the top of our Rice Krispie treats, and these ones that are chopped up roughly, they're going to go inside. You will need marshmallows. You need around about 10 to 12 ounces of marshmallows. First thing that we need to do, let's take your margarine or your butter and let's put it in our pan just like so. I have my pan heating up on a medium-high heat. This is my wok that you all love so much. I use this wok for everything. You hear me? Anytime I get a chance to use this wok, I do. So over here, I have an aluminum pan that I have taken a little bit of vegetable oil, and I've just rubbed a little bit of oil on the sides and at the bottom. If you have a nonstick pan, then you don't have to oil it. All right, so we're going to get this butter nice and melty, and once this butter melts, I'll show you how to complete our process. Okay, everybody, one thing that I like to do, I like to take some of that butter and go across the edges just like this with that butter. Reason why is because it will help so that your marshmallows aren't as sticky to your pan, okay? It'll help it slide a little bit easier, okay? So, we have that nice and melty. We're going to put that tablespoon of vanilla in there just like so. Okay, let's come over here and we're going to grab our marshmallows. We're going to put 10 to 12 ounces in. This is a 16-ounce bag, so I'm just going to kind of guess it. Okay, I'm waiting on that butter to get nice and melty. Beautiful. Now we'll go ahead and we're going to put our marshmallows in just like so. A little bit more, guys. Beautiful. Okay, and what we're aiming for, I have this on just a medium heat. And you can also do this on a low heat if you're worried that, you know, you'll burn your marshmallows. Just keep a good eye on them, okay? These will start to melt very quickly, okay? With that nice warm butter. Ooh-wee! This is going to be such a great dessert for this weekend. Oh, yeah. So our marshmallows are melting up just exactly how you want them to do. Once they start to become liquidy, if that makes any sense, liquidy, I'll be right back. Okay, everyone, and you can see our heat is still on medium. Right? And our marshmallows are just about turning into its liquid form. I hope you all are having a great Saturday. Hope you all are staying warm. I'm in this kitchen and I'm making dessert, and after this I'm going to make some dinner. I'm going to make oven roasted chicken, baked potatoes, and green beans. That's what's on the menu tonight at the Young's house. Okay, this is almost done. You want to see every marshmallow nice and melted. All the way to where you can't see any more marshmallows in there. This is such a fun recipe. So easy to do. And like I always say, it tastes so good. This is a dessert that everyone will love. From your grandmom to the kids, your husband, your fiance, your wife, they all love this recipe when I make it. Absolutely, everyone loves this. And it's so easy. There's so many different things that you can do to Rice Krispie treats. Absolutely it is. Beautiful. Okay, this is what we're wanting. So since it's done, you go ahead and turn that stove off and you take these right off of the stove. Okay? Because we don't want that to continue to cook. So then, let me focus. Here we go. Focus down into the bowl. We're going to add our 5½ cups of Rice Krispies just like so. And then when you're making this, one thing that you want to do for sure is always make sure you crush your cookies up ahead of time, okay? Because the way this cools down, it cools down so fast. And you really won't have time to crush cookies up when you're making this. So just do it ahead of time, okay? It only takes you like 1 or 2 minutes to crush those cookies. All right, so we're just going to do this until it's well incorporated. All right, now what I'm going to start doing, we're going to go ahead, add your cookies. And when you add these, be kind of gentle, okay? Because we're not trying to make these cookies into powder. We're just trying to get these huge chunks of cookies down into these beautiful Rice Krispie treats, just like so. Absolutely. Dakota's going to be so excited for this recipe. We're going to have a nice glass of milk with this. Put some ice in that milk. And that's our dessert tonight. All right, now that this is well incorporated, all you need to do, we're going to grab, or I believe this is a 9 by 12. Let me see if I can see at the bottom. This is a 9 by 12. And then we're going to grab this and we're going to put this in there just like so. Okay? Until you get everything out of your pan. All right? And then I'll show you a trick how to pat these flat. It takes a little muscle because this pot is heavy, guys. Whoo-wee! My house is smelling good. There's nothing like Saturday morning waking up, getting that house clean, and your house is smelling like pine sol and bleach. You got the music going. Absolutely. Okay, let's see here. Now, I'm going to take a little bit of vegetable oil. Okay? I'm going to put that on my hand here, just a tiny bit. Literally. Okay? All over my hand is impeccably clean, okay? And this, we're going to smash it. Let's start it out with this here, just like this. Okay? And then I'll flatten it with my hands. All right? And we want to make this nice and smooth and level. You want to make sure all sides are even. You don't want one side lower and one side higher. Make sure it's nice and even. And it's going to be sticky. Absolutely it is. You can't prevent it from being sticky. That's part of this dessert. Oh boy. This is so beautiful. All right. Now I'm going to go in. I'm just going to pat it. Just like so, and we'll make it nice and even. What a quick dessert to make for church. If you all need a dessert to take to church and you don't really have the time, make this. Make this. Absolutely. So easy to make. All right, now you want to work kind of quick because this bad boy starts to set up quickly. And you want to get it nice and packed in there. What a great recipe. And how beautiful, right? Can't wait to show you what we're going to do next. Because what we're going to do next is the step that really bumps these things up. We're going to take that white chocolate. We're going to melt that white chocolate in the microwave. And it might take about 50 seconds maybe. 50 seconds to a minute to melt the white chocolate. I'm just going to melt it right in my cup that I have it in, my measuring cup. And you can put sprinkles in here. You can put anything. Anything you want to do with Rice Krispie treats. They're so easy to work with. All right, get off of my finger. All right. Are you nice and smooth? Beautiful. I don't know what they have the heat on in here, guys, but it is burning up in here. You hear me? Hoo-wee! They're trying to toast me. They're trying to roast me in here. All right, everything is nice and smooth and well packed in. I need to wash my hands. Get all of this gooiness off of my hands. That's what I'm doing right now. And then we're going to throw our white chocolate morsels into the microwave. I'm going to put the morsels in the microwave. We'll start off with 1 minute and see where that leads us. Okay? Meanwhile, see that? Isn't it beautiful? It really is beautiful. Let's set that aside. I'm going to take these cookies. I'm going to show you all how to chop up these cookies. I have a potato masher. That's how I chop the others. Let me check my morsels really quickly. Okay, they're not ready yet, but they're almost ready. So I have this potato masher. We're just going to go in, use some elbow grease, and crush these bad boys up as much as you can. Because this is going to go on top of that white chocolate. You hear me? And what you're going to do, you're going to crush this up much more than you did the others. Okay? Let me check my chocolate. Okay, everybody, now what we're going to do, we're going to take our melted chocolate, okay, and we're going to spread it just like so all over the top of our Rice Krispie treats, and I'll be right back. Okay, everyone, I have my chocolate morsels melted down, nice and smeared right over top of our beautiful Rice Krispie treats. Now what we're going to do, let's take some of these crumbs, and we're going to put some of these chocolate Oreo cookie crumbs right all over this Rice Krispie treat dessert. And this is chopped. It's still big pieces, but it's a lot smaller than the other pieces, okay? You just scatter them around, and everybody will get a bite of the Oreo cookies on top and inside of their beautiful Rice Krispie treat. If you all never made this before, you better make you some. Absolutely. And if you don't eat it, make it for the kids. Absolutely, or let the kids make it. It's a delicious dessert. Very quick to make. Doesn't take any time. It tastes so good. Look at this, guys. Now, here's what I'll do. You have to put these in the refrigerator, okay? They have to go in the refrigerator. I'm going to let them go in there for about 35 to 40 minutes. And then I'll come back. We're going to cut these bad boys up. I'm going to let you all know what it tastes like. Be back. Okay, everybody. I let our Rice Krispie treats set in the refrigerator for 35 minutes. 35 minutes was all that they needed. Now, there are some people that like to use 2 bags of chocolate morsels. If you use 2 bags, what you'll get is, let's see, how do I explain it? So you have your Rice Krispies, right? Just like this. And the white chocolate will set up about this high off of your Rice Krispies. I only like to use one bag because I like mine to be nice and thin. All right, so let's dig in, and I have Dakota here, and he's gonna give it a try. Let me get one, and you can get one, Dakota. I think I'll grab this one. Oh my word. Hold on, Dakota. You wanna try this on camera, baby?
Yeah.
Okay, let me try mine first, okay? So look at this, everybody. Rice Krispies 101. Rice Krispie Treats 101. And they were so simple. They were so simple. Look how beautiful. Look at this, guys. Oh my word. Do you hear me? Look at that. Let me taste it. Guys, taste this. Oh my word. Woo-wee. If you all enjoyed this video, hey, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you click on that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload one of these awesome recipes. Absolutely. Okay, Dakota. Let them know what you think, baby.
Oh my God, this is so good.
Is it? Awesome.
I'm sorry, Rice Krispies brand. This is way better. I'm sorry, Rice Krispies brand.
Okay, awesome. He said, I'm sorry, Rice Krispie brand. This is so much better. And that's the thing. Taste that again, guys. You can make it yourself. You can put whatever kind of extract you want. Hey, if you wanted to put an almond extract in there, you can. If you wanted to put peanut butter, if you wanted to put cranberries in this bad boy, you can. Possibilities are endless when you make these. And as always, God bless each and every one of you. I wish you all a happy weekend. Thank you all for watching. Good night. Look at this, guys. Look at this. So tasty. Taste that right there. Oh my gosh. Look at this, everybody. Isn't that beautiful? I love you all. Have a good night. Good night.